Come test drive the 2024 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.